Okay, can you tell me what is drawings? We are
Drawings
studying.
is where the owner takes out money from the business.
Okay, so the owner is going to take money from the business. And for this, the owner is going to give to the business what? If the owner is taking money from the business, he's taking this money from the business, I say it is drawings, correct? Correct? When owner takes some money away from the business, that is called drawings. And return, owner will give to the business interest, which is called the interest on drawings. This is the most important topic that you need to understand. Interest on drawings is what for the business? It is income for the business. Okay? So when I have to
Yes,
calculate
ma'am.
interest on drawings, the when the amount of drawings is fixed, okay? When drawings is withdrawn at fixed interval, the interest on drawings will be calculated as the annual drawings. Just remember that it is annual drawings into the rate upon 100 into average period. Now, this average period will keep on changing. Are you with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, the annual drawings into rate into average period divided by 12. Now, understand one more thing. Can you tell me, is interest on drawing appropriation of profits or charge?
Appropriation.
So it is paid from appropriation of profits. It is charged as an appropriation out of profits. Are you with me?
Yes, ma'am.
So there are two situations when you calculate interest on drawings. The first situation is when fixed amount is withdrawn at fixed interval. And second is when unequal amount is withdrawn at irregular interval. Okay, two situation. Fixed amount, fixed interval.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm repeating again. Fixed amount, fixed interval, or situation number two is unequal amount, irregular interval. Are you with me?
Yes, ma'am.
So when we are talking about fixed amount and fixed interval, you need to memorize this table. First thing is you withdraw money every month. Okay. First thing is you withdraw money every month. So if you withdraw at the beginning of every month, at the middle of every month, or at the end of every month, withdraw money at the beginning of every month, it will be calculated as 6.5 upon 12. Are you with me?
Yes, ma'am.
If you withdraw money at the middle of every month, then it will be calculated as 6 upon 12. Okay? And if you withdraw money at the end of every month, then it is calculated as 5.5 upon 12. With me? So fixed amount,
Yes.
fixed interval, and you are doing monthly. Beginning of every month, middle of every month, and end of every month. Are you with me? Now
Yes, ma'am.
quarterly. If you're doing drawings quarterly, at the beginning of every quarter, beginning, middle, end. So if you're doing at the beginning of every quarter, then it will be 7.5. At the middle of every quarter, then it will be 6. And at the end of every quarter, then it will be 4.5. Are you with me?
Yes, ma'am.
So monthly, quarterly. Now we are talking about half yearly. That means you're doing drawings every 6 months. Okay. So if you're doing half yearly at the beginning of the half year, then you will multiply by 9 upon 12. At the middle of half yearly, 6 upon 12. At the end of half yearly, then 3 upon 12. Okay. Then you're
Yes, ma'am.
doing monthly drawings for 6 months. Beginning 3.5, middle 3, and 2.5. And if you're doing monthly drawings for 9 months, so they will give you in the question, it is half yearly drawings, it is monthly drawings for 6 months, or it is monthly drawing for 9 months. And if you're withdrawing at the beginning of the month, then it is 5. Middle is 4.5 and end is 4. Are you with me?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
How do you remember this? It is monthly, quarterly, half yearly, monthly drawing for 6 months, and monthly drawing for 9 months. Are you with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Monthly, quarterly, half yearly, monthly drawing for 6 months, and monthly drawing for 9 months. With me? So if it
Yes,
is
ma'am.
monthly, quarterly, and half yearly, at the middle it will be 6. Okay. Then monthly drawing for 6 months, it will be half of it, it will become 3, and this is 4.5. Are you with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now see over here. Monthly, at the beginning of the month, it is plus 0.5. At the end of the month, it is minus 0.5. Then it is
Yes, ma'am.
quarterly. Above, at the beginning of every month, it is plus 1.5. At the end of every month, it is minus 1.5. Half yearly, half. So you will do this half. Above it is plus 3, below it is minus 3. Okay, come on.
Yes, ma'am.
Monthly, quarterly, half yearly. Monthly, quarterly, half
Half
yearly.
year.
At the middle of every month, it is always 6.
Six.
Okay, at the
Yes,
beginning
ma'am.
of every month, it is plus 0.5, plus 1.5, plus 3.
Yes, ma'am.
At the end of every month, it is minus 0.5, minus 0.5, and minus 3. Okay, are you with me? Now,
Yes, ma'am.
monthly for 6 months and monthly for 9 months. It is M6 and M9. So again, this is plus 0.5, okay, and again plus 0.5, minus 0.5, and minus 0.5. So for this, at the beginning of every month is plus half. At the end of every month is minus half. But you should remember this. This is 3 and 4.5. Just take time to recall. Let me know if you are facing any difficulty. Okay. For interest on drawings, which is income for the firm. Okay. There are two ways. When there is fixed amount, fixed interval, annual drawings into rate into period upon 12. Fixed drawing, fixed amount, fixed interval. And then the other method is unequal amount, irregular interval. Let's talk about fixed amount, fixed interval. It is monthly, quarterly, half yearly. Monthly drawings for 6 months and monthly drawing for 9 months. Are you with me?
9 months.
Beginning of
Yes, ma'am.
each period, middle of each period, and end of each period. For monthly, quarterly, half yearly, if it is at the middle of each period, it is into 6 by 12. If it is beginning of each period, then you will add plus 0.5, plus 1.5, plus 3. And if it is at the end of each period, minus 0.5, minus 1.5, minus 3. Monthly drawing for 6 months or monthly drawing for 9 months. You will add 0.5 and at the end it will be minus by minus 0.5. Are you with me?
Yes.
Now let's talk about this. Unequal amount, irregular intervals. So interest on drawings will be the amount of drawings into rate into the months remaining by 12. Okay? Into months remaining by 12. And in the product method, you will do total of product into rate into 1 by 12 or 1 by 365. What is the method I'll talk about later. When nothing is mentioned, okay, if the date of drawings is not given to you, then interest on drawings is calculated for 6 months into 6 by 12. This is very important, very, very, very important. What is important? Come on, Saiki. If date of drawings
If the
is,
date of interest was given, not
then
given.
interest on drawings is calculated by 6 upon 12.
6 months. 6 upon 12.
Let us take some sums, one markers and see how we can answer it. Come on. Answer this.
Ah,
Interest on partner's loan is credited to which
1
account?
minute only.
Sorry, it is credited to partner's loan account.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Interest on partner's loan is credited to partner's loan account. You should know these things. These are the very, very basic things. Now try this. Once you're okay with it, you give me the answer.
Ma'am, can you just explain this to me,
So
ma'am?
we are doing a sum which is on interest on drawings and it is of a specimen question paper. Now understand, A and B are partners and B draws fixed amount. Fixed amount at the end of every quarter. Fixed amount, fixed interval. Fixed amount, fixed interval, and
Fixed amount, fixed interval.
interest on drawings is how much percent?
15% per annum.
Drawings is 15%. Okay. So at the end of every quarter, so is this is quarterly drawings?
Okay, quarterly.
Is it quarterly drawings?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is quarterly drawings at the end. So you will multiply by what?
Ma'am, at the end of each period, so 4.5.
So into 4.5 by 12.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is the percentage?
15%.
The amount of drawings?
Amount of drawing is 9,000.
Amount of drawings is 9,000. At
Yes,
the
ma'am.
end of the year, interest on these drawings amounted to 9,000. They are saying that the interest on drawings is amounting to how much? 9,000. So they do not
9,000.
know the drawings. Do they know the drawings?
No.
No, they do not know the drawings and they want you to find the drawings. So
No.
we have this formula. Interest on drawings is equal to drawings into
Draw.
15% into 4.5 by 12. Are you with me? No, understand? Interest on drawings is how much?
9,000.
9,000. 9,000 is equal to drawings into 15 by 100 into 4.5 by 12. Are you with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. I want to calculate drawings. What will I do? I will keep the drawings here and everything else which is down will go up and which is up will come down. Are you with me?
Yes, ma'am.
I can do the cutting over here. 3 4s are
12.
3 5s are 15. Are you with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If I remove a point from the top, I can put a 0 over here. So this will become 45. I remove one number after the point, so I can put 10 over here. Are you with me?
Yes, ma'am.
I'll do cross multiply 9,000. This will go up into 100. This will also go up into 40. Divided by, this all will come down because it is coming on the other side. Divided by 5 into
Yes,
45 is equal to drawings.
drawings.
5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10,
5
and 0. 5 nines are 40,
45.
5 eights are 40. 5 nines are 45 and 8s are 40. 9 1
Yes, ma'am.
and 1000. So 1000 into 20 into 8. So 8 twos are how much?
Yeah.
8 twos are 16.
16.
So drawings is equal to 8 twos are 16. And how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. So drawings is how much? 1 lakh.
160. 1,60,000.
So now I want drawings per quarter.
Drawings per quarter.
Okay. So drawings per quarter, that means what will I do?
Ma'am, we will.
Drawings per quarter. That means I will do
Drawings per
1,60,000 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4 fours are.
for
So drawings per quarter is how much?
40,000.
So drawings per quarter is equal to 40,000. So drawings per quarter is 40,000. So it is option B. I want you to try it yourself.
नहीं, नहीं,
Shyam, Gopal, and Arjun were partners who were carrying out which business? Garment business.
government business.
Shyam withdrew 10,000 in the beginning of each quarter. Okay. 10,000 at the beginning of each quarter. So when I talk about quarter, at the beginning of each quarter is how
Quarter.
much? At the beginning of each quarter is how much?
7.5.
7.5. Okay. So Sham withdrew 10,000 fixed amount, fixed time period, fixed amount, fixed time period. That means you have to follow the table. So the amount of drawings for Shyam will become how much? 10,000 he is withdrawing at the beginning of each quarter. In a year, there are 4 quarters. So into 4. So the annual drawings of Sham will become how much?
Uh,
40,000.
40,000.
The annual drawings of Sham will become how much? 40,000.
40,000.
So Sham is withdrawing at the beginning of each quarter. Are you with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we talk about Gopal. Gopal has withdrawn garments that is amounting to 15,000 to distribute it to flood victims. So is there any fixed amount that during a fixed interval or it is just random amount?
It is a random amount.
It is a random amount. So it is a random drawings. That means I could say this is unequal amount, unequal amount, unequal interval. Are you with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So unequal amount, unequal interval is the date of drawings given to you.
No, ma'am. It's not.
So you will multiply with how much? 6 by
6
12.
by 12.
So the date of drawings is not given to you. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And Arjun has withdrawn 20,000 from his capital. When I am saying Arjun has withdrawn 20,000 from his capital, it means he has taken away the capital. So this is not drawings.
Yes, ma'am.
Partnership aid provides for interest on drawings at 10% per annum. Interest on drawings is charged from Shyam, Gopal, and Arjun. For Arjun, there is no interest on drawings because he has taken away his capital. Are you
Capital.
with me? So we can
Yes, ma'am.
have option C or D, any one. Calculate the
Yes.
interest on drawings. So for interest on drawings for Shyam, how much do we have?
Interest for drawing for Shyam.
How much? Interest on drawings for Shyam, it will be how much?
Ah,
40,000.
okay.
Rate of drawings is how much? 10%. And it is beginning of each quarter. So into 7.5 by 12, you will calculate the amount for yourself. Interest on drawings
Okay.
for Gopal, it is 15,000 into 10%. Unequal interval, date of drawings is not given.
Well,
So into 6 by
not
12.
mentioned. 6 by
And
12.
Arjun, interest on drawings is charged only to drawings out of profit.
Drawings.
Arjun has withdrawn his capital, so no interest on drawings for Arjun. So you have to
Yes, ma'am.
calculate for Sham, Gopal, and Arjun.
Gopal.
Okay? Try and calculate. I'll wait for you. So this will make it which option? Option C.
Option C.
Are you with me?
Yes, ma'am.
I'll go to the next sum. Please read the question for me. This is CBSE
Hina
12
and Nina are partners in
paper,
a
okay?
firm.
Come on,
Okay.
read.
Hina and Nina are partners in a firm. Nina withdrew rupees 10,000 per month at the beginning of each month during the year.
Okay, stop.
Ended.
10,000 per month at the beginning of each month. Can you give me the amount of
Oh,
drawings?
yes.
How much?
10,000 per month.
10,000 per month. So
10,000
amount
per
of
month.
drawings will be 10,000
1000 multiplied by
12.
12.
Annual drawings you
Okay.
want, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So annual drawings will be 10,000 into 12. So this will make it 1,20,000. Are you with me?
Yes, ma'am.
And it is at the beginning of each month. So this is the first one, the first column, if you remember.
At the beginning of each
So
month.
this
Yes, ma'am.
was 6, up was plus zero point 0.5, right?
Plus point.
So into
Yes, ma'am.
6.5 upon 12. Are you
5
recalling
upon.
it?
Yes, ma'am.
Or should I bring the table down? Okay. So the drawings is,
I can bring the table.
yeah. So the drawings is 10,000 per
Yes,
month.
ma'am.
10,000 per month at the beginning of month. Beginning of month, so into 6.5 upon 12. Interest on drawings is how much?
6.5 upon 12.
Interest on drawings is 6%.
Interest of drawing is 6%.
What do they want us to calculate?
Yes.
Interest
Nina's
on
drawings for the
Nina's
year.
drawings. So it will be 10
Interest on
lakh
drawings for Nina.
to 12.
Yes.
The annual drawings is 1,20,000
12.
into rate 6 by 100. Beginning of each month, so into 6.5 upon 12. You will get your interest on drawings. Please
6.5.
calculate. Come on. Please read the question.
Viva and Asha are partners in firm. Asha withdrew 1,000 rupees at end of each quarter.
Okay.
During the year,
Is withdrawing
ending
1,000 at
31st.
the end of each quarter. Interest on drawings will be calculated for an average period of at the end of quarter. Try to recall monthly, quarterly, right? It was 6 and 6 at the middle. Beginning was plus zero point 0.5 plus 1.5.
Yes, ma'am.
So end will be minus 1.5.
Plus 0.5. Yes,
So this would become how much?
minus 1.5.
4.5. 6 minus 1.5
4.5.
is,
6
so
point,
4.5
4.5.
is 4.5 months.
4.5 months.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it will
Yes,
be
ma'am.
calculated for 4.5 months. Can you give me the amount of drawings?
Amount of drawings.
Can you give me that?
Okay.
1,000 quarter.
1,000
How
quarter.
many
Yes, ma'am.
quarters in a year?
How many quarters in a year?
How many
Uh,
quarters?
4,
Four
4.
quarters. So this will become 4,000.
4,000.
Answer is option B, and it is amount of drawings is 4,000. Are you with me?
Okay.
Come on. Try to do the 6th one. When stuck, I will help you.
Yes.
Aman and Chaman are partners. It is a CBSE question. 1st July, Aman is giving a loan of 600,000. In the absence of deed, interest on loan is how much percent? In the absence of deed, interest on loan is how much percent? It is 6%. So 600,000 into 6%. Now let's talk about the months upon 12. So when I am talking about the month, this is 1st July. Year is ending on 31st of March. Are you with me? This will be July, August, September, October, November, December, Jan, Feb, March. So 9 months. So Aman is entitled to get how much amount as interest on loan. So I will cancel this out. 3 threes are 3. Okay, not 3 threes are. Let's do the 6. 6 ones are 6 twos are 2 ones are 2 threes are 6. So this will become 3,000 and 3,000 into 9. 9 threes are 27. So he will be entitled to get 27,000 as the interest on loan. So it is option D. Okay. With this, you can go to the resources and try the further questions like question number 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Try up till question number 15, and then we will discuss it after it is done in the next part of the video of interest on drawings.